The closure.
Nobody like it, but you must not say it in nature.
Welcome back to my channel. The name is Sweetery, and today I'm going to be doing a wig review. If you have been my subscriber for a long time, you know how it is with me and wig online wig vendors. After everything that's happened to me, I still decided that okay, let me support these people. Let me still go and buy wig online. I'm going to drop the two videos I think of the previous wig review I did in the description box, so just go ahead to click it when you are done watching this video. And you see that I've gone through a lot in the hands of wig vendors. So today I supposedly got a Vietnamese bone straight 10 inches. That's what I bought from this bag in shop. Is let's unbox it together. So it comes in this bag, just came in this bag, and the wig was inside this bag. I opened it I opened it because I wanted to know what was inside. But I don't really know hairs. If you guys actually know hairs, so you guys will actually tell me this one is bone straight. I mean, they're going to cheat me again. Hey. I bought it. So these are it. So this is the hair. This is the hair. So the hair actually had a problem when it came, because you know that me and hair, something must always have comma inside. So the people cutting it, I don't know if you can see, there's a mistake. So you can see that they're not all equal. I think you guys can see. So I think that's the only complaint I actually have about this hair. And the funny thing is that I paid today, for example, in the night around 8, I don't even know, 7. And I got it the next day, like the next day. And it's wig that, you know, it has been long I bought wig. The former one I had was always one they used to cook, very stressful. So this one is quite convenient. But the hair is really nice and I love it. It's nice. I got it for 75,000. Baby girl is pretty. This is actually the first time I'm wearing it and on camera, sha. The hair is giving. Okay, it's giving, sha. What do you guys think? I think it's giving. Please, you guys should help me out. Is this bone straight? Is this bone straight? Is this the bone straight? Are you people are talking about? Now that I have the bone straight, I don't think I'm happy. I thought that if I buy bone straight, I'll be happy. You know, every day if I wake up, I'll take on my bone straight and I'll be happy. But life goes on. Now I want another week, and I want a car, and I want so many things. It doesn't end. The world of material things doesn't end. So basically, this is just the wig, and me coming here to show you guys the wig review. I'm so much impressed with mini shark hair. This So thank you guys for watching. And please subscribe to this channel. Channel is so much fun. If you are not a member, you're missing. We drop videos like back to back.